How to use Axiom bot in Telegram. I'm going to tell you how to use Axiom bot in Telegram. Axiom bot is primarily a web automation tool built on Axiom.ai, and while it can send updates through Telegram, you don't need to operate it from the app itself. First, go to Axiom.ai on your browser and log into your account. Create or select a bot. This could be something like scraping data, filling out forms, or monitoring a website. When setting up your bot, go to the integration section and choose Telegram. There, you'll be asked to paste your Telegram user ID or chat ID, which tells Axiom where to send messages. And once it's linked, you can configure the bot to automatically send you results, errors, or updates after each run.